Okay, so today we are making a cookie cake. This cookie cake is basically a giant chocolate chip cookie in a cake form, and it's so good. It's thick, soft, packed with melty chocolate chips, and has that perfect mix of slightly crisp, chewy edges, and a gooey center. It's super easy to make, fun to make, and guaranteed to disappear fast. So let's begin the process. In a medium bowl, sift together the flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. I'll go in with some cornstarch, followed by some baking powder, and then finally some baking soda. Now I omitted salt because I'm going to be using margarine, which already contains salt. But if you are using unsalted butter, do add some salt to it. I sifted, I'll give it a quick stir and then set it aside. In a separate large bowl, I'm going to go in with my margarine. I'll be leaving the list of all the ingredients in the description box, so do well to check it out. I'll then go ahead and add my white granulated sugar, followed by some brown sugar, and then with my hand mixer I'm going to whip this for 2 minutes until it's light and creamy. Halfway through the creaming process, I'm just going to be using my silicone spatula to scrape the sides of my bowl and then go ahead with the creaming until it becomes light and creamy. Next, I'll go in with an egg and egg yolk only, some vanilla, and then I'll continue the mixing on low speed until the batter is just combined. Now our mixture is properly combined, and so we add the dry ingredients from earlier and mix on low speed until the dough comes just together. Okay, you need to avoid over mixing by all means. I'll finish the mixing process here with my silicone spatula because I want to avoid over mixing my mixture. Now I'm going to fold in my chocolate chips and then mix it until they are evenly spread out in the mixture. Also remember to avoid over mixing. Over here, I have my pan already prepared with some lined parchment paper. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and press the cookie dough into the prepared pan. Smooth the top out as evenly as possible or as you can, and sprinkle some chocolate chips over the top. If you have watched till now, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for always supporting the channel. To my returning subscribers, I love you all to the moon and back. And if you are new here, you are most welcome to the family. Grab a seat, stay together with us. Let's cook and bake together. Thank you. Guys, this is looking good already. So we are going to be baking this for 22 minutes at 180 C. Then after that, you loosely cover with foil and bake for another 18 minutes. Now you need to be careful not to over bake this, so you need to keep a close eye on the baking time. If you have a timer, you are good to go. Now our cookie cake is done, so you are going to leave it to cool completely in the pan on the wire rack. Okay, do not hurry to remove it, if not you are going to ruin your cookie cake. Whilst that is cooling, we are going to go ahead and make a quick chocolate frosting. Okay, so to a bowl I added my margarine, my icing sugar, and some vanilla. I'm going to cream this together for at least 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy, scraping down the bowl halfway through. I'll go ahead and add some unsweetened cocoa powder, and if you are using milk you can add it at this point before whipping for additional 1 minute on high speed. I omitted milk in this procedure this time around. I'll continue creaming until it becomes smooth and silky. So just like that, we've made some chocolate frosting. It's easy to make at home. You don't need a store-bought one for your simple recipes. Now our cookie cake is fully cooled, so we can just transfer onto a serving plate and we are ready to decorate. I'm going to remove the parchment paper on this as well and then flip it over. And do not worry when your cake sinks a bit, the center sinks a bit. It's usually normal with cookie cakes. Here I have my piping bag set. I'll throw in a tip or a nozzle. You can use any of your choice. Okay, so this is what I'm going in for. I'll fill it with some chocolate frosting and go ahead and pipe just on the borders of the cookie cake. Hi friend, I want to know where you are watching this video from. Kindly state your country in the comment section and then we become friends from here. So I'm done decorating with the chocolate frosting, so I'll just finish it up with some sprinkles on top to make it look so good and more cakey. Okay, let me put it that way. It's totally optional though, but it gives it a good finishing. Guys, how do you see this cookie cake? Let me know in the comment section if you are going to give this a try. You can use this for your birthdays, birthday for kids, or even just to enjoy. Okay, you can store this in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days without the frosting, but if the frosting is on, you can keep it in the refrigerator for up to a week. Just let it come back to room temperature before serving it. Okay, so guys, we are done for today. Thanks so much for watching up until now. I really appreciate you all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.